Hello, this is Diganta from Fractions Hub. Today, we'll be doing some number theory. I'll be discussing some tips and tricks that you can use in the exam hall to do some problems differently and quickly. So the concept that we are going to learn here is the highest power of a prime. So let us proceed with the question. So the question goes like this. How many positive integers pairs? How many positive integer pairs a comma b satisfy the following? A square plus b square equals ab times a plus b, right? So this looks not that difficult, right? So if you just try it on your own, you might be able to do it, and it might be short also, but you might get also stuck in a complicated mess. So let me show you a very easy way to handle this, right? So, and the concept that we'll be using is this: the highest power of a prime. Now, say we take a prime p, and also let us assume the following. 1, p power x is the highest power of the prime dividing a p power y is the highest power of the prime dividing b. Now, we have the following equation that you can see, and we have taken p power x and p power y as the highest powers. Now let us look at the both the sides and compare. So this is a square plus b square. So the highest power of p here is p power 2x, right? Or p power 2y, depending on which is more, x or y. So case 1, x is less than y. Case 2, x is greater than y. Case 3, x is equals to y, right? Now, these two cases are symmetric. So let us do one case, right? And this is pretty easy, right? If x is y, you will see. So in this case, where x is less than y, p power 2x is less than p power 2y, implying p power 2x is the highest power of p dividing a square plus b square. Now, for this is for a square plus b square. Now for AB times A plus B. We try to find the same thing, the highest power of P, which would be what? A, here we have P power X plus Y. And this similarly, going by this logic, this is P power what? X. So this side, P power 2x plus y is the highest power of P, dividing AB times A plus B, right? Okay, so if this happens, we have the following. P power 2x is the power on the left hand side. This should be equal to the right hand side power, which is not P power 2x, which is P power 2x plus y. So this implies y must be 0. So this is not right, right? Because we have taken x to be less than y. This implies what? Y is greater than x, and this is equals 0, implying x is also 0, right? So this is not possible, and we didn't lose any generality here. So similarly, we do for x greater than y. And from here you can see that if x and y are equal, then it's very easy. If x equals y, then p power 2x equals p power 3x, implying x equals y equals 0, right? So what can we say? This is true for all possible choices of P, right? So hence, no prime can divide it. The only option is A equals B equals 1. So the only trivial option that you can see is 1, 1, 2, right? So this was the problem using the highest power of a prime. In the next video, we'll come up with more topics like this. Thank you.